Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have Trouvailles. So we're going to Guatemala. Let's go. This box is sent to me free for review. You will always get my honest review. This is the second time I've gotten the box. I really enjoyed the first one, so I cannot wait to get in here and see what we've got here. It is a box that you can use to travel the world. It comes out of Canada. Every other month you receive a box from a new destination. This destination is Guatemala. We will have 6 to 8. This is only the second month I've done it. Let me double check. You will have 6 to 8 products. They will be full-sized, authentic food and lifestyle products. The prices include shipping. It is $49.99 per month. If you go out to 6 months, which would be 3 boxes, it becomes $47.99 a box. And if you go out to 12 months, which would be 6 boxes, it's $45.99. I will put my link and my code below, and that will get you a free gift if you sign up for the 6 or 12 month. Okay, let's dig in here. I'm anxious to check this out. This is what it looks like when we open it up, and you will also receive a collectible postcard each month. It's kind of fun. You could save these, and it says, in the Mayan language of Ipsy, spoken by over 1 million people in Guatemala, a person who loves to travel is a Benam Wanag. I am sure I am doing that so much disservice. For our fellow wanderers, we filled this month box with our favorite treats and handcrafts from the land of the eternal spring. Okay, and then it's wrapped up nicely. When we dig in, we have our paperwork, which is going to tell us a little bit about both what we have and Guatemala, and then, ooh, our goodies. Something fun and bright right up top. This says edition number 9, March 2022. Okay, I'm off because I thought my last one was February, March, and this is April, May. So this must be March, April. I think I've had it about a week. Guatemala is known as the land of the eternal spring, given its year-round blossoming season. Nahuatl speakers from Mexico call it the place of many trees, and the country remains steeped in a still vibrant Mayan history. Despite its small size, its rich blend of unique sights, smells, and unforgettable experiences are truly like anywhere else. Okay, let's just dig right in and see what we've got. Right on top, we have, oh, earrings. They are pretty and so unique. Oh, and it says made in Guatemala by, and then next to it, handwritten, is Elena. Well, thank you, Elena. It says Hope Wear. And this is what they look like. Actually, is it better? Yes, I have discovered it's sometimes better on my shirt. Of course, the sleeves of my shirt sometimes get a little roughed up here with them sitting next to all the shred that I take out of all these boxes. The paperwork says that these handcrafted earrings support marginalized women artisans in La Esperanza in the west of Guatemala. These charming earrings are made from the materials ranging from beads and faux leather to recycled pop cans, tabs, and cords using methods including macrame and weaving. That is, wow, that is so cool. So this is our first product. Next out, we have this wonderful colorful thing. I don't know if it's a wallet or a bag. Look how pretty that is. With spring and summer coming, tucked into something, that is so pretty. The paperwork says this is a hand-woven adventure bag. This fair trade adventure bag is 100% handmade by Guatemalan artisans, combining the country's iconic colorful patterned fabrics with the traditional art of the back strap weaving. With 2 zipper compartments and a convenient strap, oh yeah, I'm not in there yet, it's a perfect day trip accessory. So we have our zippers here on the front. We have both of those. And then, what is this? This is Velcro, opens up. And here's our strap. How stinking cute is that? To do like a crossbody, the strap, I don't know if you guys can tell, is just black. And then this is, if you had on like, oh, like I do, just a black outfit, that is so cute. You can put your phone and some makeup in there. They zip easily. I just double checked the zippers and it all zips very nicely. I just love that they're handmade and so unique. I mean, so far, very cool. Okay, next, I think we're gonna dig into some food because I see a big old bag of chips. And I will do just like I did last time. I really like to go downstairs, get clean hands. So we will do just like we did last time. We'll go downstairs, we'll get my husband involved in tasting it. This says that they are limon, which I wanna say is lemon, but I think it's lime. It looks like they're chips of some kind. This is a big bag. How many ounces? It feels heavy. 180 grams. I think 28 grams is an ounce. I wish I could do that math. Well, let's just round it to 25 and say this is almost 7 ounces. We'll call it 6. It's moments like this that I wish I paid a little more attention in my high school Spanish classes. So they've put a sticker on here and it says that they are lime flavored corn chips. It says they have monosodium glutamate in it, and I am one of those people who's very sensitive to that, so we'll only be having the hubby taste these. Ooh, next we have hot sauce. Nice. I love hot sauce. I know, as sensitive as my skin is, I shouldn't eat it because not only do things externally affect me, but so do like spicy things kind of make me red and rashy. I mean, it goes away by the next morning, but I can't help it. I love hot sauce. I use so much. This is Pikamas Salsa Brava hot sauce, 6.2 fluid ounces. This has MSG in it also, so they must use MSG as an enhancer in Guatemalan food, kind of like they do in Chinese food. I know, it makes it taste better. I totally get it. It says it is hot red sauce made from 100% natural jalapeno peppers. Pikamas Salsa Brava Roja is Guatemala's most popular sauce. Even those who don't typically love hot sauce flip their lids for its one-of-a-kind smoky taste. Use it on everyday dishes for delicious boost of flavor. I love hot sauce. Next out, ooh, what is this? Can't tell, but it's very pretty so far. Let's see if I can find it in the paperwork. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's beadwork, and even the fastener is beadwork. Can you see how pretty this is? It's so soft. I don't know what other word to use. It's really flexible, soft, I guess is the best way to say it. It has 2 loops at the end, so you can make it work for you and your size. They're showing it in the picture, and I will show you the picture. Yes, it's too big for a wrist. They're showing it as an anklet. And it says the beauty and color of Mayan weaving lives in these handmade anklets. And more than just an eye-catching accessory, they also bring the traditional practices of Lake Atitlans artisans to the world. That is super pretty. I will for sure wear that. Once summer comes and I go into capris, I don't wear shorts much anymore, but when I go into capris, I will be sporting that. So far we have 3 really lovely artisan-made pieces. I love that. Next out, I have an Antigua Artisano Good Cafe restaurant. What? That is so interesting. What is this? The paperwork says that it is a new definition for coffee on the go. These filters from Antigua's artisanal Cafe Guatemala are a wonder. Place it on top of your cup, add boiling water, and enjoy the sweet aroma and cocoa aftertaste. I can tell you right now, I can smell it through here. That smells good. I love coffee. I love coffee. It's like, is this an address or a phone number? That I have more questions. That is really cool. And it looks like last but not least, look at her. She's so cute. So intricately done. That is so cute. Guatemalan worry doll, based on the Mayan legend of Princess, oh boy. Well, I want to say Exmucain, but it's probably maybe Imucain. Help me out if you can phonetically below. Receive this gift from the sun god. Worry dolls are an old Guatemalan tradition. Before bed, people tell their worry dolls their troubles, waking up the next morning filled with wisdom and bravery. Dressed in the traditional Mayan style, these dolls represent the main source of income for many Guatemalan artisans. She is so cute. So that was a really cool box this month. We had a little less food. We had the lime Frito type things and the hot sauce. Those both look cool. Oh, and the coffee. So we had 3 food things if you count the coffee as a food thing. Unfortunately, I can't try these because of MSG, but I'll make my hubby do it. I'll still see you over on Insta. I have this really pretty adventure bag to take on our adventures. We can wear our nice earrings that we received on our adventures. The adorable little worry doll that we received. She is so cute. I'm telling you, there's a lot of detail in her. And I am just smitten with this. And I know you can't tell the quality of it there, but I am just smitten with this anklet. I think it is absolutely adorable. Oh, our worry doll fell down. I wonder if she's worried about that. So this is the Trouvailles box that is available now. It's like a little trip to Guatemala. That is so cute. I will put all of their information below for you. I will put their link, my codes, all of that in case you just want to go over and check it out. I want to thank them for sending this to me. I just think this is so fun to get a little taste, especially when, you know, a lot of people are getting back to traveling. I'm not traveling yet. So this month, with Trouvailles Travel to Guatemala. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. If you have any questions and I can help you out, I surely will. Just let me know below. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care, guys. Bye.